মন্দারমণি গেছিলাম লাস্ট উইক। সুদীপ কিছু ফটো তুলেছিল, বাট শো ছিল ফটোগুলো, খুব একটা ভালো না। লেটস এডিট দেম।
এখানে আমি ফটোটাকে খুলে নিয়েছি। আমি Ctrl+J মেরে আমি ফটোটাকে কপি করে নিলাম একটা। দেন কপিটাকে ফিল্টারে যাই, ক্যামেরা র ফিল্টার্স। এখানে আমার কালার্স কিছু পছন্দ নয়, যেমন এক্সপোজারটা আমি একটু বাড়াবো, কন্ট্রাস্টটা আমি লিটল কমাবো, হাইলাইটসগুলো আমি কমাবো। তারপর শ্যাডোসটা আমি একটু বাড়াবো। হোয়াইটস আমি কোনো ডিক্রিজ হোয়াইটস। দেখো হোয়াইটসটা ডিক্রিজ করার জন্য এখানে আমি ক্লাউডস একটু রিভিল হচ্ছে, তবে আমি জানি না, আমার স্কাইটা ঠিক পছন্দ নয়। I don't know. I guess I'm gonna replace the sky. Texture বাড়াই, clarity to বাড়ুক। Now it's looking good. Okay, let's open Photoshop. And here's the before, here's the after. It has changed drastically with some normal color grades. Now I'm gonna replace the sky because I don't like this sky and some colors are not yet correct. Okay, I have downloaded this pic from Unsplash and now I'm gonna place it over here and I'm gonna change the sky. So let's get started. Let's see the subject at first. Photoshop AI has done awesome job, but it needs a bit of correction. चलो देखते हैं, अभी स्काई को रिप्लेस करते हैं। इसका पीछे इसको डाल देंगे। Okay, this is pretty much done. Yeah, this was very easy, guys. This was very easy. When you can do it, just you need to install Photoshop and that's it. So let me make some quick adjustments. And I don't want this writings. I guess I'm gonna change it. Let's delete it. I'm using a cloning stamp tool here. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this step for you guys. I don't want to bore you guys. This is pretty much done, guys, and I wish to write something here. I don't know what to write. Let me write my Insta name. me write my Insta name here. This is my Insta name. This font is quite cool. I want to transform this. Let's change its perspective to match. Let's change this color to white, and then I guess I'm gonna put a layer of black to make it a shadowy thing. Let me check. Yes, I'm just gonna invert it. I just copy the image, then I just invert it, and if I drag this one just a bit, it's gonna look like it has some shadows in it. This is cool. Let me decrease the opacity a bit, make it more natural. So this is cool, this looks cool, isn't it, guys? So go to my Instagram page and tell me how is it, or you can just comment down below. This is pretty much it, and I guess I'll be coming with some more edits. So do you like my edit? Give a thumbs up. This was a simple edit. I do more complex edit. I don't know. I mess up every photos. Just for this photo, I'm just trying not to mess it up. And just tell me, guys, how is it? Before, this is the after. Before, after. Just see, guys. This has drastically changed. Tell me, guys, how is it? Should I make this photo as my DP in my Facebook? I don't know, guys. So comment down below, guys, if you like my edits, and if you want more edits to come, then comment as well. I'll be coming with some more edits. This is it, guys. This is for today. See you guys in my next video.